Can you see my screen?
Okay, I'm safe.
Okay. So you already told me about yourself. Now we're going to jump to a lesson. Okay, just a minute. There you go. Okay, it's about the things that we always use or wear every day.
Okay.
What do you think is that?
It's clothes.
Okay, it's a clothes. So we're going to talk about the different kinds of clothes. Do you know the different kinds of clothes?
Yes, t-shirt.
Yes. So can you give example?
It's a jacket, shirt.
Jacket, shorts. Okay, we're going to tackle about that. So here it goes. Unit 5. The words.
Shirt.
Okay. So what do you think is this? The
Shirt.
picture on the screen. Yes, it's a shirt. Very good. But sometimes it is also called polo shirt.
Okay.
Okay, we use this in a formal gathering such as I guess interview or you're going somewhere else. Formal gathering, formal meetings. Right?
Okay.
How about this one?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. And the color of the t-shirt is?
It's blue.
Okay, you're wearing right now is a t-shirt.
It's a t-shirt.
Yes, very good. Another one. Okay. I guess it's not moving. Oh, this one. This one is a pair of
Shoes.
shoes. Very good. This is the pair of shoes. There are different kinds of shoes too.
Yes.
What do you know about shoes? The different kinds of it.
Nike.
Nike. It's a brand. It's a very popular brand. Okay, there are different shoes. Shoes that we use for formal gathering, for sports, especially when we're running. The sneakers.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a pair of shoes. How about this one?
It's a dress.
Yes,
It's a dress.
dress.
Yes.
It's actually a skirt.
Okay.
Girls wear them because it's very comfortable. So this is a skirt.
Skirt.
Okay, skirt. Very good. Another one. This is
Jacket.
jacket. We use them during
Rain in winter.
winter. Very good. Do you have
Or in rainy.
okay, if it's rainy. So there in your country, do you have season?
Yes.
Okay.
I have 4 seasons. Is spring, summer,
Summer,
autumn,
autumn.
and winter.
Okay. Do you have season in your country? Or is
Yes.
it only two season?
4 seasons.
Four season, very good. Here in the Philippines, we do not have four seasons. We only have two seasons, wet and dry season. Okay. So we use jacket during winter, right?
Yes.
Okay, how about this?
Is socks. Sock.
Yeah, pair of socks. We use them underneath the shoes, right?
Yes.
Okay, because it is very important to wear socks if you're wearing a shoes, right? Okay. Okay, socks.
Socks.
Okay, that's good. How about this one? We use them when we're looking for the time.
Clock.
Which
Watch.
clock. Okay, watch. It's a wrist watch. You wear here over your wrist. That's why it's called a wristwatch. Okay. Can you say it again?
Watch.
Watch. Very good. You pronounce the W, watch. Okay. Another one. How about this one?
Pants.
Pants. Very good. It's a long pants. But we can also call it a trouser.
Trouser.
Trousers.
Trousers.
Okay. Trousers.
Trousers.
Okay. It can be used by both women and men. So it's sometimes comfortable too. Okay, how about this one? Another picture.
Is like I don't remember.
I don't. You wear them. Women wear them all the
But
time. They bring them
I'm
all the time.
but I'm not a girl and I don't know what is that.
Yes, it's okay. It's not a problem. So this we called it a handbag.
Handbag.
Yes, it's a handbag. Women use this. They carry them around. Uh, but boys also wear backpacks, right? Do you
Yes.
have a backpack?
Yes.
Yeah, you bring it to your school, right? Okay, very good. Handbag.
Handbag.
Okay. How about this one?
Glasses.
Glasses. It's an eyeglasses. We wear them if our eyes is not
Have
that clear.
problems.
Yes. Glasses.
Glasses.
Oh, how about this? During summertime, if the sun's so bright, we
Oh,
use what?
glasses.
Glasses. We use sunglasses, right?
Yes. And
Because
have
it's
many colors in the glasses.
yeah, and also there are a lot of styles. Depends on your taste, right? Okay. How about this one? This is
A dress.
a dress.
Dress.
It is, and who are the people who use dresses?
Girl.
Girl, women, of course. It looks adorable. And what is the color of the dress? What
Is gray and pink.
gray and pink? The belt is gray. Very good. You have a lot of color vocabulary. Okay. This one is a tic-tac-toe. Do you know the tic-tac-toe?
Yes.
But it's a little bit tricky to play here in the PowerPoint, I think. And it skips on disappearing. How about we skip this one
What's
and
that?
move on to the another slide?
What's that?
I can't figure it also. but it but let me just
Okay.
tic-tac-toe. This is a very popular and classic game. It is played by two person. For example, you and me, and I I choose the X mark. You can see the X mark there and the circle mark. So
Yes.
there is a tree line over there, and it's supposed to be a third grid line. And then you're going to you're going to mark here the X, and then I
Okay.
choose to mark the circle. But anyway, it's a very tricky to play this in the PowerPoint since
Okay.
it's
I
why what?
I don't know. That's it.
Okay, it's okay. We skip this one.
Okay.
Just for a moment. Okay, we're back. So this, can we review it?
Is shoes.
Shoes, pair of shoes. Very good. This one,
A skirt. Skirt.
hello.
Skirt.
This is
A skirt.
a what?
A skirt.
I think
Skirt. A skirt. A skirt. Skirt. A skirt. Oh, skirt. Ông ạ, có về từ sáng, mẹ cháu ngồi nhớ nhít. Chú còn đi được này. Ôi, chú ngồi tí về rồi. Chú vừa đi công chuyện. Vừa từ nhà về à?
Ở trong nhà hôm nay thì đi đâu? Hôm nay công việc gia đình mình đi đâu?
hello.
Hello.
I'm here again. My internet is gone, but it's back. Okay.
Hôm nay cũng đi xa mình quanh quẩn nhà thôi.
Okay. You can
I'm
share
sorry
screen.
about that.
Okay.
Okay, this one is
Skirt.
skirt. Very good. Skirt. And
a jacket.
a jacket. Very good. This one,
Watch. Watch.
watch.
A shoe.
Is this a shoe?
No, no, no. Socks.
Socks. Very good. And this one,
Trousers.
trousers or pants.
Yes.
Yes, it's both correct.
Handbag.
Handbag.
Handbag. Bag. Glasses. Eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses.
Dress.
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 Okay, we're going to answer this. Number one. So this is, we're going to complete
Yes.
the closed words in the box.
I know.
Okay, you know. Number one, what's the answer?
Where's number one?
There.
Number one
okay,
is
number one.
jacket. No.
Number one.
Is
This
skirt.
one. This one.
Okay.
This one here.
It's,
Can you see it?
shirt. Yes.
Shirt. Very good. Number two.
Number two is watch.
Watch. How about number three?
Number three is dress.
Correct. Dress. Number four.
Number four is eyeglasses.
Glasses. Very good. Number five.
Number five is handbag.
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 Number six.
Number six is skirt.
Skirt. Very good. Number seven.
Is socks.
Socks. So what's the spelling of socks?
S. Socks. Socks. S-O.
And then?
With S-O-C-K-S.
C. Okay, very correct. Number eight.
Jacket.
Jacket. Can you spell for me the jacket?
J-A-C
K-E-E-T.
Very
Jacket.
good. Jacket. Okay. Numbers. What number are we? We're number 9.
Number 9 is shoes.
Shoes. The spelling of shoes is
S-H-O-S.
O.
S.
Oh, you forgot letter E.
Okay.
S, H, O, E, and S. Shoes.
Shoe.
Number 10.
Is hat.
Hat. Very good. The spelling of this is very easy. H, A, and T.
That's
Okay, 11.
is trousers.
Trousers. The spelling of trousers is
Trouse.
S-E. And then
Hmm.
trousers.
S-E-R-S.
Very good. Correct. And last number,
Is t-shirt.
t-shirt. So the spelling of t-shirt is
T-S-T-S-H-I-R-T.
very good. T-shirt. You
T-shirt.
got it all correct. Very good. Okay, you're going to match this.
Glasses.
This one
Okay,
is
I
for
will match it. Okay. These glasses. Oh, I draw. Pen.
you can match it. How about I do it? This
No.
one. You can see it?
Yes.
Where should I put the arrow? Here?
Glasses.
Okay, the glasses. How about this one? Where should I
Sure.
put this one?
Is
Where should I put this? What word?
is t-shirt.
T-shirt. Very good. How about this handbag? I told it already. This one, this picture.
Handbag.
Handbag. Very good. How about this?
Trousers.
Trousers. And this one?
Shirt.
Shirt. Very good. Very good. You got it all correct.
What's
Okay,
that?
there's a plain online board game here.
But I can play it. I can't play.
You can't play?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay. We should skip this if you can't play.
Skip.
Okay, we're going to tackle about the structure of a sentence. My battery is low. Wait for a second. I'm going to connect my charger for a minute.
No problem. Teacher battery is low. Okay, it's okay. Little bit. Em đang đổ Can you fast a little bit, please? You a little bit, please. You fast a little bit.
Hello, Madam. Hello, teacher. Can you hear me? Không ngồi đấy chứ.